Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome to our channel. My name is Andre, and in today's video, we're gonna unwrap the brand new lawnmower that we just bought. But before we get into it, guys, if you like this content, please subscribe, hit the like button, share this video, and also comment. Let us know what you think. So the new year started with a purchase with another lawnmower. It's kind of an addition to what we already have. I say we because it's me and my son. We basically a two-man crew, and so it's also something new that we wanted to try. We never had a stand-on mower. We always had the sit-down mowers, but I noticed lately a lot of guys switching to a stand-on mowers. So we decided to get one too. Now I didn't want to be too much in their face with the camera and everything, so I didn't film too much at the location where we purchased the lawnmower. So we basically back in our house, kind of showing you guys what we have going on here. I will be doing another video, maybe like a lawn care setup video. I'll show you exactly what kind of setup we got. But yeah, so we got a sit down mower and now we got a stand down mower, and as you can see, we got a skag equipment. I like this company. I like the mowers, and I also like the color. I always like the orange. So it's not really like which one's the best, which one's the worst. I mean, if you got a commercial lawn mowers, they all good, to be honest. We just decided to go with the skag. So the sit down mower that we have, it's 61 inch, and this one here is a 48 inch, so it's a little bit smaller. And the reason why we bought the smaller deck, so we have some lawns that's like half acre or less, so don't have to use the 61 inch. We can just use the 48. It's not a whole lot of difference between these two lawnmower, guys, if you think about it. I mean, the obvious difference is it's a sit-down mower, and the one we just bought is a stand-on mower. And they also got a different engines. This one's got a Kawasaki engine, and the other one's got a Kohler engine. But of course, the deck size. But other than that, I mean, there's not much difference between these two lawnmowers. So some people say sit down mowers better, some people say stand down mowers better. It's just for us, like, we wanted to try it on because I never had a stand down mower. So and we did need another lawnmower. The reason why I bought 48 inch deck, because we have some lawns that's like half acre or less, so I feel like I don't need that 61 inch big lawnmower for those lawns. I can just use the smaller one. It's I'm not sure how much the weight difference. It's probably not that much, if any, to be honest. But like I said, it's just a smaller lawnmower, so it'll be easier to get on those smaller lawns and get the job done. So yeah, basically this is it, guys. I'm not gonna make this video too long. Like I said, I'll try to make another video, like a lawn care setup, and I'll go kind of into the detail, what we got going on our trailer. So yeah, as you can see, these lawnmowers, they fit perfectly. We got a 16-foot trailer, and this lawnmower just fits perfectly. And the reason why I got a 16-foot trailer, so we can put it in a garage. I keep my trailer in a garage. I close the door, so that's why I don't want to go with a longer trailer, because then I won't be able to close the door in my garage. So in the future, we'll see. We might get something bigger, but if I do, we're probably gonna have to like rent rent a garage, a bigger garage. I still like to keep my equipment in the garage. I don't want to keep my equipment outside. So yeah, so that's what we got going on. Of course, right now is winter months, and in South Carolina, January, February, there's not much to do, outside. But come, beginning of March, we should have plenty of work. I used to use the push mower every now and then, but not that often. And since we got this new 48-inch deck, we probably not even gonna need that push mower anymore. So basically, yeah, guys, that's what we got going on. Again, if you guys like this content, so hit the like button, share this video, so, yeah, and comment. Let us know. Let us know what you think about Skag lawnmowers. If you had them for a long time, let us know what do you think. But other than that, this is it, guys. Thank you for watching our videos. And if you guys live in upstate South Carolina and you need some lawn care services, give us a call. That's our phone number right there. So God bless everybody. Be safe, be thankful, and we'll see you next time.